नमस्ते विद्यार्थी मित्रो, आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण चॅलेंजिंग क्वेश्चन बघणार आहोत. ते क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 आणि 5 साठी विचारले जातात. ओके. आणि चॅप्टर अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन आपण या ठिकाणी बघणार आहोत. या टाइपचे प्रश्न बोर्डाच्या परीक्षेला विचारले जाऊ शकतात किंवा या प्रश्नांचा जर तुम्ही अभ्यास केला तर तुमचं लॉजिकल थिंकिंग निश्चितच वाढेल आणि बोर्डाच्या परीक्षेमध्ये तुम्ही निश्चितच या टाइपचे प्रश्न सोडू शकतात आणि तुम्हाला चांगले गुण मिळतील. चला तर सुरू करूया. Now the arithmetic progression. Now the first example. If the sum of first p terms of an AP is equals to the sum of first q terms, then show that the sum of its first p plus q terms is 0 where p is not equals to q. Okay, now start here the solution. Okay, here let a be the first term and d be the common difference of the given AP. Then SP is equals to SQ. That is the sum of the P terms is equals to sum of the Q terms. This is the given. Okay. Now here we will apply the formula. See this here. Using the formula, Sn is equals to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the general formula. Here we will replace n by p, replace करणार आपण इथे. Therefore, this formula will become for the SP, S suffix p, किती होणार तो? p by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is for the SP. Okay. आणि SQ साठी किती होणार? q by 2 in bracket 2a plus q minus 1 into d. आता हे simplification करणार. Multiplied on both side by 2. That 2 will get cancelled here. हा 2 इथे काय होणार तर कट होणार. Next, p in bracket 2a plus p minus 1 into d is equals to q in bracket 2a plus q minus 1 into d आपल्याला इथे मिळेल. ओके. नेक्स्ट सिम्प्लिफिकेशन काय तर या p ने ब्रॅकेट मध्ये या टर्म्सला मल्टिप्लाय करायचं. दॅट इज p into 2a plus p into in bracket p minus 1 into d. नेक्स्ट या q ने 2a ला मल्टिप्लाय करणार. ओके. आणि हे टर्म्स सर्व आपण लेफ्ट हँड साइडला आणणार. ते आणताना मायनस होतील. मायनस q into 2a minus q in bracket q minus 1 into d is equals to 0 इथे मिळेल तुम्हाला. आणि नेक्स्ट सिम्प्लिफिकेशन, व्हॉट इज दॅट? p in bracket 2a नेक्स्ट मायनस q in bracket 2a. ओके. आता इथे d च्या टर्म्स आपण इथे काय केल्या तर a च्या टर्म्स इथे कलेक्ट केल्या. आता d च्या टर्म्स कलेक्ट करणार. कोणत्या त्या? p in bracket p minus 1 into d minus q in bracket q minus 1 into d. Take d as a common and that's equals to 0. ओके. आता यातनं देखील 2a कॉमन घेतलेला आहे in bracket p minus q plus if you multiply here, इथे simplification केलं you will get p square minus p minus q square plus q bracket complete and that's equals to 0. हे तुम्हाला इथे मिळेल. ओके. Now next. ओके. नेक्स्ट सिम्प्लिफिकेशन आपण इथे बघणार. दॅट इज अ 2a in bracket p minus q. ओके. प्लस p square minus q square minus p plus q bracket complete into d. ओके. फक्त आपण टर्म्स p square minus q square जवळ आणले. p square minus q square can be split up as in first bracket p minus q, in second bracket p plus q, and the next here take the minus sign as a common, then in bracket you will get p minus q bracket complete into d and that's equals to 0. Now from all these three terms here p minus q, इथे p minus q and here is a p minus q, that we will take the p minus q as a common. Then what terms are remaining here? काय terms राहतात तर इथे 2a and in the next p plus q minus 1 into d and that's equals to 0. Again p is not equals to key. हे आपल्याला इथे दिलेलं आहे. We have given that p is not equals to key. मग काय 0 असेल? That is the 2a plus in bracket p plus q minus 1 bracket complete into d and that will be a 0. Now this term can be written as, what is that? Okay, this equals to 0. Now we want to prove that is a sum of p plus q term is 0 हे आपल्याला prove करायचं. Therefore we will apply the formula for the sum of p plus q, and it is a p plus q upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. म्हणजे काय? The p plus q minus 1 into d. Okay, but we know the value of 2a in bracket p plus q minus 1 into d, and its value is a 0. Okay, and therefore p plus q upon 2 as it is, its value is a 0. That is 0 into any number, you will get 0, and hence sum of p plus q term is 0, and in this way we have proved it. Okay, now the next question. How many two digits number leave the remainder 1 when divided by 5? Okay, now start here. Solution. The first two digit number divisible by 5 is 5 into 2. This is the first digit. Okay. Next, the last two digit number divisible by 5 is 5 into 95. This is the last two digit number which is divisible by 5. Okay. Now 5 into 10, 20, then you will get 100 is a 3 digit number. Okay. म्हणून last digit कुठला असेल आपला? तर 95 असेल. Okay. Now the next. Now we want two digit numbers which would leave the remainder 1 when divided by 5. Therefore, the first two digit number, पहिला digit कुठला आहे? तर 10 आहे. मग पहिला two digit number which leave the remainder 1, that will be the 11. That is a 10 plus 1 is 11. And the last one is 95 plus 1, that is equals to 96. Therefore, the first two digit number which leave the remainder 1 when divided by 5 is 11, and the last two digit number which leave the remainder 1 when divided by 5 is 96. Okay. आता हे किती नंबर्स असतील that we want to find out. आपल्याला फर्स्ट नंबर माहिती आहे आणि लास्ट नंबर देखील इथे माहिती आहे. Okay. Now the next. Here T1 is equals to A is equals to 11. Tn is equals to 96. First number we know, and that is nothing but the A. Tn is equals to 96. And what is the difference between them? The difference between them is a 5. Okay, D is equals to 5. Therefore, we can find out the last number by using this formula. Tn is equals to A plus in bracket n minus 1 into D. Last number is 96. Okay, A is 11, n minus 1, bracket complete into D means what? It is a 5. Next multiplication. That is a 90. हे multiplication करणार 5 in bracket n minus 1. हा 11 left hand side ला जाणार. It will become minus 96 minus 11. That will 85. 85 is equals to 5 in bracket n minus 1. And therefore n minus 1 is equals to 85 upon 5. Okay. पुढे हे division करणार. 85 upon 5 you will get 17. Therefore n minus 1 is equals to 17. Okay. Therefore n is equals to 17 plus 1 and n is equals to 18. And hence there are 18 two digit number when divided by 5 leave the remainder 1. Okay. Now this is the answer. Okay. There are 18 two digit numbers. Now the next question. How many terms of the AP 16, 14, 12 are needed to give sum 60? Explain why do we get two answers. म्हणजे यामध्ये आपल्याला दोन आन्सर्स इथे मिळत असतात. Now the solution. Okay. Here Sn is equals to 60. आपल्याला त्याची sum 60 आला पाहिजे. We know the first term a is equals to 16. Common difference 12 minus 16 is minus 2. We apply the formula here. Use the formula of the Sn. Sn is equals to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is 60 is equals to n by 2 in bracket 2 into 16 plus n minus 1 into minus 2. Okay. Multiply on both sides by 2. Then 16 into 2 you will get 120. N 2 into 16 32. पुढे simplification करणार. Minus 2 ने n ला multiply करणार. Minus 2n. Minus 2 into minus 1 you will get plus 2. 32 plus 2 you will get 34 minus 2n. Okay. Therefore 120 is equals to 34n minus 2n square. Therefore 2n square minus 34n plus 120 and that's equals to 0. आता एक्सप्रेशन ला सिम्प्लिफाय करणार पुन्हा आपण ते त्याला 2 ने डिवाइड करणार. Therefore you will get here n square 34n upon 2 you will get 17n 120 upon 2 you will get 60. आता याचे फॅक्टर्स करणार. that is minus 12 and minus 5. Minus 12 into minus 5 60 होता. And their sum is a minus 17. Okay. Now the next. You can see here n minus 12 factors such into n minus 5 and that's equals to 0. Therefore n minus 12 is equals to 0 or n minus 5 is equals to 0. N is equals to 12 or n is equals to 5. The common difference d of the AP is minus 2. Okay. The terms of AP are in descending order. Okay. The terms of AP are in the descending order. If we take n is equals to 5, then what will happen? आपल्याला दोन आन्सर्स का मिळतात त्याचं आपल्याला रिझनिंग करायचं आहे. And the sum of the first 5 terms, that is the first is 16, next is a 14, 12, 10, 8 याचा सम केला तर आपल्याला किती मिळतो तिथे 60 मिळतो. And if we take n is equals to 12, then what will happen? Then the next, that is a 12 minus 5 terms. Okay, म्हणजे किती तर ते आपल्याला 7 terms मिळतील. And these are the 7 terms. That is a 6, 4, 2, 0, minus 2, minus 4 and minus 5. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 5 याला कोण कॅन्सल करणार 2, 4, 6 and overall you will get their sum is a 0. Okay. And hence these are the 12 terms whose sum is 0. Okay. Therefore the sum of these 7 terms, हे जरी 7 terms असले तरी त्यांचा सम किती येतो इथे आपल्याला तर तो 0 मिळतो. Okay. And hence the sum of the first 12 terms is also 0. Sum of the first 5 terms is also 0 and 12 terms is also 0. Okay. And therefore the answer here, the sum of these 7 terms is 0. The sum of first 12 terms is also 60 and the sum of first 5 terms is equals to the sum of first 12 terms and hence we get two answers 5 and 12. आपल्याला तिथे एक्सप्लेन करायचंय आणि म्हणून या ठिकाणी त्याचं ते आपण हे एक्सप्लेन केलेलं आहे. ओके. नाउ दी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Here is the next question. If the ninth term of an AP is 0, then prove that 29th term is double the 19th term. Okay. Now, okay. Proof. Let A be the first term, D be the common difference of the given AP. Here the 9 terms of the given AP is 0. Therefore, first we find out the 9th term. Here the formula for the Tn. Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Substitute n is equals to 10. Then here you will get Tn. T9 is equals to A plus 9 minus 1 into D. If we simplify it, then you will get A plus 8D and that's equals to 0. That is the 9th term is 0. Okay. Therefore, here you will get the value of A. A is equals to minus 8D. This is the first one. Next, for the 29th term, आता 29th term आपल्याला पाहिजे ते. Therefore, T29 is equals to A plus N is replaced by 29 minus 1 into D. And if we simplify it, then you will get A plus 28D. But what is the value of A? A is minus 8D. Therefore, here we replace A by minus 8D plus 28D. And this simplify केला आपण. Then what you will get? That is a T29 is equals to 20. D is equals to 2 into 10D. And this is the second one. Again, if we simplify it, the expression for the 19th term, the formula for the 19th term, Tn is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Therefore, T19 is equals to A plus N is replaced by 19 minus 1 into D. Then here you will get A plus 18D. Okay, A plus 18D. Substitute the value of A again here. A is equals to, इथे A ची value आपल्याला मिळाली minus 8D. And therefore, minus 8D plus 18D. Then you will get 10D. That is a T19 is equals to 10D. And T29 is equals to 20D. Therefore, T29 is double of the T19. Okay. Therefore, from 2 and 3, 29th term is double the 19th term. Okay. Now the next question. If m times the mth term of an AP is equal to n times its nth term, then show that m plus nth term of the AP is 0. Okay. M times m term is equals to n times nth term. Then show that m plus nth term of that AP is 0. Now the solution is here. Proof. Let A be the first term, D be the common difference of given AP. M times mth term is equals to n times nth term. It's nothing but m into Tm is equals to n into Tm. This is given. But Tm's formula, Tm is equals to A plus m minus 1 into D. Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now substitute these values in this expression. That is m in bracket A plus m minus 1 into D bracket complete is equals to n into in bracket A plus n minus 1 into D bracket complete. Okay. पुढे हे टर्म आपण लेफ्ट हँड साइडला आणणार, आणताना ते काय होणार तर मायनस होणार. पुढे नेक्स्ट सिम्प्लिफिकेशन, त्या एम ने ब्रॅकेट मधल्या आतल्या सर्व टर्म्सला मल्टिप्लाय करणार. देन यू विल गेट एम ए प्लस एम इंटू एम मायनस 1 इंटू डी minus n a minus n into n minus 1 into d. Okay. Now the next simplification. Here is a am and minus na. Take a as a common. Then in bracket you will get m minus n. We will collect these two terms. That is am minus an. And take a as a common. Then in bracket you will get m minus n plus. Next m into m. That is you will get m square. Minus m bracket complete into d. From the next last bracket, that is a n into n square minus n bracket complete into d, and that's equals to 0. Okay. पुन्हा या दोघांतून आपण किती कॉमन करणार, d कॉमन करणार. Then in bracket you will get m square minus m minus n square, and this minus and minus that will become plus, and that's equals to 0. Okay. Again keep this first term as it is. That is a in bracket m minus n plus. Now here m square minus n square, याचे factors क्या पड़तील, the m plus n in first bracket, second bracket m minus n, and from these two terms take minus sign as a common. Now the next, again keep this here, the first a in bracket m minus n as it is, and from these two terms, okay, we will take again m minus n common. म्हणजे overall या दोन्ही टर्म्स मधनं आपण m minus n काय करणार तर तो कॉमन घेतलेला आहे. Now m minus n, that is not equals to 0. मग 0 काय असेल? That is a plus d in bracket m plus n minus 1, that's equals to 0, where m minus n is not equals to 0. But what is this? This is nothing but the AP of the m plus n term. How it is? Now see this here. M plus nth term of AP is a plus in bracket m plus n minus 1 bracket complete into d. Okay. And we know it's a value that is a 0. And therefore from 1 and 2, m plus nth term of the AP is 0. And in this way, we have completed the examples which depending on the chapter arithmetic progression. All the best. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.